A young lady talking about the fact that she would choose a womanizer over a stingy man.
Why would I stay with someone that has something that I need and then he don't want to give me? That is not love. As you men, you told us that there's no life. Like, you don't have to love. Why would you waste your heart, your soul, and your empty stomach to go and love a man? For what reason?
Queen, womanizer. A womanizer whom you don't even know if the number of women he is sleeping with are actually even 10 or 15, maybe they could even be more. Have you thought about the health implications involved? Because I know you know that we have a lot of STIs in the system.
We've seen people that, are in a marriage, like the man has like 4 or 5 women, right? And then she'll be the 6th wife, but she's comfortable. She's living a happy life. It's normal to date somebody with 5 women. The fact that you know is even good.
Speaking on behalf of the Stingy Men Association in the world, what have they done? Because a man can never be stingy forever.
Stingy man has this mindset that I don't have to give you money. I have to focus on myself, right? Yes. They have this kind of behavior that they feel they are better than you. Stingy men, they feel they are better than you. Oh, should I give you? I should give you money to braid your hair, whilst I've not cut my hair. You see, they will be comparing themselves to you. But come on, after all, I'm a baby.
So why can't you work for your own money?
Right, in here, right. I know I'm beautiful, right? And then from my head to toe is money. I didn't walk in here naked. That's how God created me, right? I was naked. But now I'm wearing this. Let's say if I'm dating you, a stingy man, and then we schedule like maybe we have sex like maybe twice in a week. If I'm dating this womanizer, maybe you cry in the week, I won't get to see him, but then I will get my money.
Hey,
simple. No stress. This life, don't bother to stress yourself for a man.
But
you stingy man, Let me say it again. You stingy man. If he was dating only me, that is skin to skin. The fact that I'm aware that he is dating multiple women, that is not skin to skin. This is bodies to a body.
Say she go carry man we be stingy or man we no get money, we no get naira over her dead body. See, she don't go even try him, but she would rather settle for a man who has multiple women.
I want problem. Always. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All be lie.
Power to the rich.
Hello guys, what's up? Everything cool, everything nice. It's your boy man like PKB, and of course, let me give you a warm welcome to Paco Rich Studios. Of course, I know they're here alone. Today we'll be talking about relationship related stuff, and so I thought it wise to come into the studios with an amazing lady. She's looking really nice, and of course, she has a perception to share. I'll give you the opportunity to share yours as well. But in the meantime, guys, if you're ready, let's go and meet our guest for today. Of course, her name is Queen Ghana. Queen Ghana, what's up?
Cool.
Everything nice?
Yeah, everything cool. Fine. Yeah.
Why Queen Ghana? Where from now on?
Okay, so like looking in the mirror, I felt like I'm a queen.
Oh, okay.
And since I'm from Ghana, why not Queen Ghana?
Okay, nice. Kindly tell us what you do.
Okay, right. So my name is Queen Ghana, and I'm a TV presenter, a radio pundit, and an actress.
Oh, okay.
And a local actress.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
International actress as well.
Yeah.
You shot a few movies?
Yes, I have a couple movies. Like I'll say 2.
2 movies.
I have one with Lewin, and then I have one with Zandi Kamel.
Oh, okay. All right. Let's keep your movie related stuff on the side. Today, Queen Ghana, the reason why you're on this episode is because we have a very interesting topic and we needed a touch of a feminine vibe in there. That's why, yeah. And the topic is simple, right? Queen Ghana.
Yeah.
I don't know what you think, but this is the topic. A lady shares the fact that she would rather choose a womanizer, a male womanizer, than to choose a stingy man for reasons best known to her. I don't know what you think about this, but guys, let's go and check out the video, right? And when we get back, I'll take Queen Ghana's perspective. You come in as well in the comment section, and then we will call it an excited episode. Director, let's roll it up.
Me de befa bema oye pepe party. Obisiafo me kamefa bema osisa ema bebree. Anya hwe ne se man at least me kan ho bi. Ana me boa.
All right, so so that's the lady sharing her perspective, right? And I don't know what the brotherhood thinks, but let's put that of the perception of the brotherhood aside, and let me go straight to Queen Ghana. Queen, this is your fellow lady, your fellow woman, and she's boldly come out to say that she will choose a womanizer, like a guy who has like 10 girlfriends, over one man who is stingy.
Yeah.
I don't know what you think, but tell us more.
A stingy man is no different from a womanizer dating like 20 girls. So like, I agree with her. I'll just go with the guy that dating like 10 men. Now me masuma jomi. Because if you are dating a stingy man, like he has it, and then he's not willing to give you what was kind of bad amount. And then what's the point of dating somebody that you have money and then you will not give me? I know it's not my money, but we are in this together. We are in a relationship. And then, you know, sometimes there are ups and downs. Maybe there will be a time that I need something small to do something. And I know that this guy has the money. You have it. And I ask and you don't give me a, like, why should I, like...
But wait, are you not the same ladies who are always preaching that you would prefer to be with one man?
But we didn't say we will pretend we will be okay to be with one man who is a stingy man. We are more specific one.
No, maybe this man is literally not stingy, but maybe he's saving for you and your future.
Have you ever seen a stingy man dating one woman before, like one lady before?
Because he knows his pocket, he's not ready to go into having multiple women because
that's not the reason.
Stingy
men are the one that dates most women. Like literally, one dating Mabi. He's stingy, like he's thinking about him alone. He's not willing to give out. So if he come to you and then let's say he's dating you, he's not offering you anything, probably what attitude be change, you start, you know, as a back up. He will go in for another lady. Until mostly stingy men for no be like to clear, like me person me dem me kwakwa to amani ebi ma na say me kwakwa struggle like and I say me pedi bi the amano like a waste sin. There's something wasted called yes. So right now I'm dating. The dating self cramp no ko Bible ma it's wrong. So if I'm dating, I mean say me ye bonina me ye no. In fasubi and free bonini mumba. It's a waste sin. Like
but Queen, wait. If you a fine lady sitting here says you choose to date a guy who is a womanizer. But in this case, what if this womanizer is not making enough time for you? It's not giving enough money, but it's rather giving the attention to the other ladies.
Take your attention, baby. Give me the money. Simple. I take your attention. Attention there.
Well. For me personally, I disagree with you and the lady because you know why. See, for me, okay. If you say a stingy man is not a generous man, but you see, why aren't you working for your own money, but you also putting your eye on the money of a stingy man? You should also make your own money.
Ask yourself this question: why is it that a married man has a wife in the house and then he will be out looking for another woman? No. I have my money, right? And so means na me pay with the account. Simple.
Guys, I don't know what you think, right? But let me invite you to the comment section. You can share your 2 cents on this particular one. But for me personally, right, I'm a man. But I mean, you should consider. Do you know there are a lot of sicknesses out there now?
Yes, the most common one.
Look, there are STIs.
HIV, right.
So have you thought about the fact that this man will go and sleep with multiple women. You don't know if he's even protecting himself or not, whether he's wearing condom or he's not wearing condom, or like he literally goes to sleep with
condoms to only men.
Uh-huh.
Right? That is why we are the reason why some companies invented condoms. Like what are you saying?
mean condom for females?
Yes. No, I'm not saying condoms for females. Like if I want to have something with you and I bring my condom. Like me pair condom. Meanwhile, you know say I know what I'm like. So I will protect myself. The protection side, the fatu baby for scanbra.
You are you sure you like condom? You don't like raw? Are you sure?
What is raw? Like what is raw?
Are you sure?
I'm a virgin.
Hey, Charlie. But honestly speaking, look, there are a lot of STIs out there. Just be by one guy and hope that things will get better for you in the future. Because this guy, if you stay loyal, once you stay loyal and I mean, you respect him and you stay by him, definitely at some point he will start giving you. Because listen, saying one, will say like a lot of the girls are very, very needy and quick to be asking things. So a lot of the guys these days will just stay reluctant and be monitoring. If you are the type of girl that's on the first instance now, you want to be doing asking, baby, buy me KFC, baby, buy me this, baby. It go put you somewhere, and then you come and tag him stingy. Meanwhile, it is your behavior that is getting him to look stingy before you. Like, do you get where I'm coming from? Because this guy knows what he's about. Into what about on China, pay on the end. When I was here, they will play with tactics here. Now she say, acquire truly no, or you stingy, and I say, or monitor me a
Before a woman will say or will call somebody a stingy man,
Uh-huh.
na dear when until we monitor tactics no we practice bia what the bia ye juma and at the end of the day you calculate you know you stingy man.
They be every Monday KFC madness, but baby I want KFC man every Monday no say oh my they be not at the point where we judge talk because of Otumuze. You is always every Monday. That's what you come to ask. Then at that point, he becomes a stingy man to you. Meanwhile, the womanizer that you are going for, that womanizer, yes, money now, but Charlie, I didn't the health wise and for other reasons, best note to yourself. When you want to settle down, are you sure you go for that womanizer to settle down?
Forget about settling down. Right now, we are talking about stingy man.
We
are talking about stingy man, right?
Yeah.
Listen, I don't know why a man and a semba say ni can KFC aba, and then you'll be ordering KFC. You'll be saying, baby, buy me this. But I never asked you to buy me a car because minimum say want to mean talk mommy. The only thing I'm asking is just like 200 cedis, 300 cedis, 500 cedis. Oh, mami kasa. Like this body wealth that money. Me too ono. Me so 10,000 Ghana cedis biana. And I said me so dollars be. Me so dollar like me wealth. Into if I'm in your space. Let me when say like you can't cover my wealth, Charlie. I will say me cover before
your worth.
The same reason why you are talking. A day until uncle for a worry 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm worried 2, 3, 4, 5 because to me I show him.
That is multiple women this person is dating. Most sorry, who say HIV no, stay your relationship mo pe, stay your marriage mo. This person that we are talking, let's say, or urinum bear to say 7, right? Or urinum bear to say 7. Aside, ne urinum no one crampon. Maybe your girlfriend were outside, but because it is marriage, like sir, word ne that to say marriage, no, you don't think so. Oh, we go bet mako fire real brain, no. But the moment a baby dating, no, that is where you be like, oko fire real brain, like boy. Like have that money, you give me the sickness, I will use some of the money to go and treat myself. Like simple, because that is the only thing now. At the end of the day, Baby can say, what if he gives you some disease and the sickness? Charlie, sometimes
Hey,
that is the truth. Like me, I always tell people like do whatever you think it will help you. At the end of the day, we go for Bema Bia. One in it say, oh my shame. So what's one in it say? If you are my friend, you know I'm in a committed relationship, and I ask you something, you be like, "Nah, boy, ne." And me man be says, "Oh, Now boy ne, now boy. I only be mat now on to me. Wow, they didn't na anything. I don't want you people to be asking me those questions. And to me, I'm a family answer that. I'll just go in for somebody. At the end of the day, I feel say, yeah, obey to my boy. And then not all these men and the way you're real. Those that will say we will be very careful, right? I will use that condom that I'm talking about. Fine. The same way now I won't pay attention. Maybe he will be giving me the money and then he won't pay attention to me. It is fine than to be in a relationship, but the man is stingy. Bema be or stingy, they don't care whether you are going or you are staying. It's a waste relationship. He doesn't care whether you are staying or going. A stingy, you can't build anything with a stingy man. Like the fact say with the business crab board say on board mum building the car. Onye. I don't know for you, but me, I'll never go in for a stingy man. Never in my life.
Hey.
I know you have it, but you don't want to give me. You won't help me. It's not like I'm asking you money for iPhone something, or I'm asking you money for car or house. Maybe it's something serious, but you have because you are stingy. You don't want to give me. Hey.
I should for where the one was one Queen Ghana and hey, I'm like PKB. I mean, guys, I don't know what you think. You can also share your thoughts in the comment section. Let's get to know. Okay, so let's just wrap up, right? But I want to wrap up with this question, right? So you've dated this womanizer for how long? He's been there for you financially the entire time, right? The entire time, Queen Ghana.
Yeah.
He's been there for you the entire time. Edru said, womanizer. Waka kote se wako wali obi fufua.
Yeah.
Saying now we fun.
The fun is say it's normal.
When that you have, you know, because you know once he's giving you money, you might not know, but emotionally you are getting attached though.
That is true.
Yes, because you are reliable, so you are developing some feelings for this man. Queen Ghana.
When he gets married.
Where you wasting chain, akwakofa obi fufuro nanka was so to me train maybe a stingy man and just be stingy but things are tough and things are hard and untina on to me pull up to me show you but at that moment now womanizer na ja na feed the stingy man na dey na baba born now you say how ko find
stingy man no yankaze o you broke stingy man he has it but then man, right?
I know.
That's the same way you can stay with a stingy man and then he will go and get married to somebody and then leave you. Do you know we have men who are stingy like to their girlfriend, but at the end of the day, when they are outside, they are very good. So you, the girlfriend, if maybe you are having a conversation with someone and then you be like, my guy in the crowd, mom is called, they will be like, I say, oh, sell guy, because your guy when he's out, he spend a lot and all those stuffs, right? So if I'm dating someone with multiple women, at the end of the day, you says obe worry too. Ebe yo mumu, ebe obi we yemu. And I said one ebe obi we yemu. So if you are going to get married, like, why go? Like go. Bye bye.
Go no cry now. Go now. That's a great loss to you.
That's why we have this thing called broken heart, and then at the end of the day we have healing. Right? So when you get the broken heart, as time goes on, like you will be healed, and then when you are healed, like. So if you are dating someone like this, you shouldn't be using the money for wigs and other stuffs, right? You set a goal. If it's a shop that you want, pray you get the shop. That's what I'm saying. It's not like I'm asking you for car. Maybe I'm asking you money because I'm doing something very important, right? You get something doing. So if that man is not there, you won't be lonely.
Anyway,
won't be lonely.
Guys, also why? Me so much be there. I mean,
why shock you?
Charlie, but opinions are like horses anyway. So yeah, I mean, we are just wrapping up. Let's share our final comments and then we'll call it our next exciting episode. So Queen Ghana,
okay.
What are your final words to our audience out there?
As I said, to me, I'm never going in for somebody who is stingy. Like period. That's me. I don't know for you, and I'm not telling you to follow my footsteps. Do what you think it will help you. That's all.
Anyway, if you are going for the womanizer as well, make sure you protect yourself, you take care of yourself, because guy, you don't know how many women this guy they sleep last. And you don't know how many of them they wear condom or how many of them they will protect themselves. Raw it is. If they can't give you sickness, you say you go carry the body, go kill yourself. That one they between you and your God. Oh. Anyway, guys, thank you for being part of this episode. Of course, my name is man like PKB. I wasn't here alone. Queen Ghana was in the building. Of course, an actress. You can check it out on the various socials. I'll take your socials before we leave. But guys, yes, that is what we have for you. So Queen, drop your socials for us.
Okay, Instagram, Queen Ghana _official.
Queen, spell it.
My Queen is different from your Queen. Mine is QUIN. Queen.
QUIN.
Queen.
Queen.
No, not Queen.
Queen.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's Queen. And then the Ghana, the one that you know.
GHANA.
Yeah.
Right.
So
No
Queen
underscore,
Ghana,
nothing together.
No, it's together.
Okay.
Queen Ghana _official.
Okay.
And on TikTok is Queen _Ghana.
Okay, TikTok, right?
Yeah.
All right. So guys, you can check it out and then of course get to interact with her. She's a very lively person. So they can get to follow her as well. Of course, my name is PKB. We're out. Of course, production was brought to you by director Gray Black is the building. DJ Power Courage is the building as well. We love you. We'll bring back other exciting episodes. We're out for now. Peace.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always. You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.